Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming power and display basics before opening the machine. Unplug external devices and disconnect HDMI or DisplayPort cables to isolate video. If the screen stays black, hold the power button for 10 seconds to force shutdown. After 10 seconds, press power and quickly tap F8 or Shift F8 to access safe mode. Connect an external monitor and note whether any image appears on the alternate display. If the external monitor works, update graphics drivers inside the operating system to restore normal video. Power down and remove the battery or unplug the desktop power cord completely before touching components. Ground yourself and remove and reseat RAM modules to fix poor contacts causing a black screen. Reset CMOS by removing the coin cell for 30 seconds and then reinstalling it carefully. Disconnect drives and boot with a single known good SSD to rule out storage failures quickly. Listen for beep codes on startup and compare them to your motherboard manual for diagnosis. If hardware appears fine, flash the BIOS using the manufacturer recovery method listed on the support site. If safe mode fails, boot from recovery USB and run automatic startup repair to fix boot files. Use system restore to revert to a point created before the black screen problem appeared. Roll back recent driver updates and uninstall suspicious software that started before the issue. Backup critical data using Live Linux USB before attempting a full reinstall to avoid data loss. Perform a clean reinstall of the operating system if repairs do not restore a working desktop. Finally, contact manufacturer support if the problem persists and provide diagnostic steps you already completed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.